All right, and we're back once again. Welcome to J-miah's beer tasting reactions. Today on the menu, we got Belching Beaver Brewery Deftones IPA, Phantom Pride IPA, and it says Deftones on it. I used to bump Deftones back in the day. Still hear their songs on the radio every now and then, but I thought this would be a cool beer to do a review on. So it's 7.1% ABV. It's out of Oceanside, California. And let's just pop this open and see how this stuff tastes. Pretty cool can we got here. So yes, this is once again Belching Beaver Deftones Phantom Pride India Pale Ale, and we're just gonna pour up and see how this stuff tastes. And here goes nothing. Quite a bit of head we got going here. Smells sweet, tropical flavored IPA. At least that's what I think. So this says established in 2016. Oceanside, California. Brewed and canned by Belching Beaver Brewery. And I'll just read off what it says on the can. Named after the ethereal song by the one and only Deftones, Phantom Pride IPA is a blend of Amarillo, Citra, Simcoe, and Mosaic hops, delicately balanced for the perfectly drinkable mix of citrus and hoppy goodness. A truly original Deftones Belching Beaver collaboration envisioned by Chino Marino and skillfully crafted by Thomas Peters. Sit back, put on your headphones, and drink away. So now that we went through everything it says on the box and the can, now it's for the final taste. And here goes nothing. Strong. Yeah, so I think, yeah, it's 7.1%. Pretty strong beer. Pretty strong tasting. Got a little bit of sweetness to it, but not much, which is good. I don't like it too sweet. From the aroma, I would have thought that it would have been more of a juicy, fruitier flavor, but it's actually not that fruity. I don't know. I like the hops they got going there, and but anyways, big shout outs to Deftones. Yeah, I'm definitely digging this IPA. Trying to think of what else I can say about the flavor. But yeah, I mean, IPA is going to be an IPA, you know, so. But I'm actually digging this one because it's not too sweet. I thought it would be from the aroma. I know I said that before, but what else can I say about it? Let's talk about the color. So, speaking of, hopefully you guys can see clearer now. And yeah, it's pretty transparent. You can see through it, so it's those are the kind of IPAs I like. I don't get into the haze that much. I mean, I do them every now and then, but I like the ones that are transparent. And it's a golden orange color, maybe a little yellow in there, a dark yellow. But anyways, thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed the show, like, subscribe, comment on YouTube, or otherwise you can also, I will be now posting videos to Facebook too. You can find us on Facebook, J-miah's Beer Tasting Reactions. There's pictures of a lot of different beers I've tried and videos as well. Oh, excuse me. Well, that Belching Beaver got me belching. But anyways, I guess that's it for now. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you soon with another beer to try out. Peace.